So let's start now, and we'll be doing question 15 today, from 15 to 27 in all. The topic is form, structure, and sense. So as we know that the questions from 15 to 27, they may be asking us or testing our standard English conventions knowledge. So this is all about what? Where we have to answer the question based on subject-verb agreement. It could be from plural, possessives. It could be pronoun antecedent based. So there are various topics from grammar. So basically, we have to look for the grammar part here. Let's start this question. It says, land and deep sea plants perform photosynthesis differently. So land and deep sea plants. So there are two types of plants. Both the plants, they perform this process, photosynthesis, but differently. So one is land plants and one is deep sea plants. Two types, okay? Land plants mainly absorb red and blue light from the sun and use it for photosynthesis. Plants use sunlight for photosynthesis, which is their production of food process. Since only weak blue light dash the ocean floor, macroalgae growing in the ocean have developed a protein called photosynthetic antenna that efficiently utilizes this blue-green light. So we know that land plants also, they do photosynthesis, and sea plants also do. And for this, they absorb some light, which is sunlight. And from that sunlight, they absorb different radiation. Like this is sunlight, which is red and blue, whereas sea plants, they absorb blue-green light. This is the difference. Now, since only weak light dash the ocean floor, and we have been given these choices, A, B, C, D, what does it fit here? Reaches? Yes. Since only weak blue-green light reaches the ocean floor, the macroalgae growing in the ocean have developed a protein, so-called photosynthetic antenna. So we know that our A answer is right because it is based on subject-verb agreement. And why it is right? Because we see land plants absorb. This is our subject. Absorbs is our verb. So subject is agreeing with the verb, plural, and that is why we have plural verb. So reaches, because this is about light, single, so we'll have single verb here. So this is correct, totally correct, without any doubt. So we have found our answer, which is reaches, not reaching or having reached or to reach. Why? Because this is for continuous. We don't have any sentence here in the continuous form. It is in the present simple, right? Having reached is only used when we are adding another action after it. So action 1 or action 2, but there's only one action happening here when it reaches the light, okay? To reach is an infinitive, you know, infinitive, which will not come here. So this is all about verb tense, verb forms or verb tense. This question is based on verb forms, which is a part of grammar. So this is form we have done here. Got it? This is how we have tried and find out our right answer, which is option A. Let's read the question text quickly. It is about reading, in-depth reading, standard English conventions. This is our domain. From what domain this passage has been taken? It has been taken for testing of standard English conventions. Convention means rules, principles. Standard English means which is grammatically correct, right? We don't have any graphics and the level is quite easy. We just have to find one right verb form and it is about photosynthesis process, right? So our question 15 we have done, which is based on verb forms or verb tense.